Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In my last sessions, we have talked about the backend applications of coupon management system. As you can see, we have developed all the relevant APIs for coupon management system. Now in this session, what we are going to do, we are going to create the Angular project and we are going to integrate the backend API. So for that, we need to follow some steps for this. First of all, we need to initialize the Angular project. So install the Angular CLI if you already have not into your system. If you have, then you can ignore it. Now, next you need to create the Angular project name coupon management. How you are going to create in a CMD? You need to write one command like ng new then project name. So here I have already created one project over here. If you see, that is coupon management. Now actually you need to install the Bootstrap for styling. How you are going to install the Bootstrap into your system? That is npm install Bootstrap. In this way you can install the Bootstrap into your system. Next, what we are going to do, we are going to create the components and the service for writing the different types of HTML and the logic to connecting with the backend APIs. So for now actually we are going to create the different types of components here, and then we are going to write the service layer for connecting with the database. For creating the components, basically how we are going to create the components? So the command will be the npm generate component. Using this command we are going to create the component over here. So here we are going to create the component like component list, component coupon list, coupon detail, add coupon, bulk coupon generation, navbar component. So these are the component. If you see, that add coupon, bulk coupon generation, coupon details, coupon list, and the navbar. So the purpose of this navbar is to display the menu in the landing page. This coupon list actually showing all the coupons which are available in the database. Coupon details, it will display the details of any coupon. And bulk coupon generation, for this feature we are going to, if we want to generate the bulk coupon, means if we want to generate the 100, 200, 300, 400, means if we want to generate the bulk coupon, then this feature we have developed for this one. And for single coupon generation we can use this add coupon feature over here. After that we need to create the models. So if you see that we have created this model over here. This model having different types of parameter like ID, code, description, discount, expiry date, and if this coupon is valid or it's already used. So these are the properties we have defined over here. Next, in the service layer we have defined different types of methods. The methods like for fetching the details, fetching the coupons, all the coupons from the database. Next, like this coupon service actually interact with the backend APIs. This includes actually methods for fetching all coupons from the database, then fetching the coupon details by ID. Next, creating a like coupons, that is the this coupon. Okay. Next, marking coupon as used. If we want to mark particular coupon that is already used, so for that this API basically is used. Then if we want to delete the coupon from the database, and if we want to generate the coupon in bulk, then we are going to use this bulk generate coupon. And these are the APIs basically getting called from these are the component. Okay. And this navigation, as I said already, this is actually contains these are the menus. Like if we want to, this is the landing page, then if we want to add the coupon, and if we want to generate the bulk coupon. So here if you see, for coupons, actually it's a coupons, the URL will be redirect for adding the coupons, then add, this link will be executed. If we want to generate the bulk coupon, then coupons slash bulk generate. Okay, so this is actually available for this nav component. If we see this component list, so this is the method that actually we have designed over here. This is the HTML. Okay, for here if you see, then component detail, coupon details, then bulk coupon generation and the add coupon. Okay, now we can start this application. As these are the HTTP calls, all the for calling the backend APIs, so that's why if you see in the config we have used this HTTP client, and this is the routing configuration. Okay, so now once it will be start, then we can see from over here. So this is the landing page where it's look like this one. If now we want to generate the coupon from here, let's say test, it's a let's say giving 10% discount. Okay, here let's say 10, and here also you can set the expiry date of the coupon. Now if you see that whatever the coupon we have generated, that is coming over here. Here we are getting two buttons. One is the mark as used. If we want to mark this as used, then we need to click this button. If we want to delete, then we can delete this button. Clicked on the delete button. Now if we clicked on the test, then you can see the details over here, like giving this is the description, this is the discount, and this is the expiry date. Okay, now if we can go over here and click on the mark as used, then it will come over here. Okay, now if we want to generate the bulk coupon, so here we can giving some template like puja discount for example. Okay, description giving Diwali discount. Okay, let's say 40% discount, then expiry date will be December, and number of coupons, let's say it's 100 or 10. Now if we want to generate, then it will be generate the bulk coupon. Okay, if you see all the coupons are details inserted over here. Now again if we come over here, if you see all the 10 coupon generated over here, right? If we want to mark this used, then those are coming as a used coupon under the used coupon. Okay, so this is all actually about this coupon management system. So we have covered the all the like backend application as well as the Angular part also over here. Okay, so this is all. If you guys have anything, please do let me know in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this session. If you guys have anything, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for joining me today. See you in the next video.